There is a particular niche that not only gives you a great opportunity to tap into hundreds of sub-niches, but that also helps you diversify from Amazon KDP into other ways to make an income online. Hello home bosses, my name is Nuria from thehomeboss.com. Welcome to my channel, which is all about helping you to make money online. If you're new here, I talk a lot about making an income publishing low content books on Amazon KDP, but there are also many other ways to create a part-time or even full-time income from the comfort of your home. If you have been publishing on Amazon KDP already, you will have heard about the large amount of account terminations, where some publishers have made obvious mistakes, such as copyright or trademark infringements, but there have also been account terminations that were a little unclear, and it has left many publishers with the feeling that it may be a good idea to diversify and find other additional income streams. Regardless of the latest account termination problems, I believe that having several income streams is extremely important when you are running your own business. Having all your eggs in one basket is a very dangerous strategy, and it's much safer to explore other means of generating an income so that when one income stream fails, you have other ones to fall back on. It's also a way to grow and expand your business, and hopefully none of your income streams will fail, but it will give you a more secure and growing business as a result. So if you have been publishing on Amazon KDP, what other kind of income streams can you generate? The skills that you have learned by publishing books are extremely useful when it comes to making other products that you can sell online. I have talked about creating printables before in my videos, and there are lots of other digital products that you can sell. And don't forget that Amazon is not the only platform you can publish your books with. I still think that Amazon is one of the easiest and most profitable platforms, but it's by no means the only one, and diversifying into other platforms makes sense. There are niches that make reaching out into other income areas very easy. They lend themselves well to diversification and growing your business. I have talked about this niche before, in particular because it is one of the niches that I have created a brand around, and this has worked very well for me. So I want to show you how you can diversify your business by publishing and producing products in this niche. And the niche I'm talking about is the education niche. And the reason I think it's one of the best niches is because there are so many sub-niches that you can explore. Educational books and material are also very high in demand. And many times, depending on the sub-niche, there isn't enough material available to match the demand. And that is why this is such a great niche, as you can niche down to whichever niche you are able to produce products for. I'm excited right now because there is a new app coming out tomorrow, which is in the learning to tell the time niche. There will be a lot of hype around this app, and you will see a lot of YouTubers talking about it, but it's such a good app. I had a look at it and I love it, and I really wanted to think outside the box on this one and use it to create products that are a little bit different to the ones that it is intended for. I will be making more videos around this, and they will go into more detail about the app, but also about how you can diversify from KDP into other platforms and other products that aren't books. But even if you decide not to use the app, you can still apply the same information from my video to different niches. So what could you use this app for? The intended use is to create telling the time worksheets and then creating practice books with these. So here are some examples of the kind of books that are already selling well on Amazon, and these are the type of books that this app is particularly helpful for. However, why not think outside the box and create more products like educational printables? You can sell these on Etsy the way these sellers are. So these sellers are selling the kind of printables that you can create with this app, and create different printables and use the time modules by incorporating them in different activities. Once you have created the worksheets and printables, you can turn them into practice books or activity books. But why not also create children's picture books or coloring books? This can all be done very easily either on Canva or by using this new app, which makes the process 100 times quicker and easier. You can sell your printables on Etsy, your own website or blog, or on Teachers Pay Teachers. There are just so many ways to reach your buyers, and I will be talking about where you can sell your printables as well. And then you can create your practice books, activity books, coloring books and children's picture books and publish them on Amazon KDP, but also on Barnes & Noble, Ingram Spark and other platforms that I will also be talking about in upcoming videos. The idea is to diversify and to grow your business so that you're not just dependent on one platform, and you want to create a brand that you are known for in your field. Be outstanding in your field. So in my upcoming videos, I will be going through a review of this new app, but I will also talk about how to diversify your business, explore other income streams, and how to brand your business so that you can increase your exposure and sales. I hope this has been helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you again in my next video.